Whoa, we are voluminous. Is this like Tiger King vibes? I haven't seen it yet, but my hair is kind of reminding me of all the people I see on all the memes. So that's good. Hey everybody, and welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be showing you how I do my hair just like this. This is how I styled my hair in my Instagram stories, and y'all seriously went crazy. A lot of you sent me messages how I did my hair just like this. You loved how it looked, and so I thought that I would film it for you guys because, let's be honest, what else do I have to do? I went ahead and got the beach waver that I used on my hair that day. I just used my mom's. It is the Bedhead Wave Artist. I got it on Amazon, pretty affordable. I think it was like $35 or something like that. I really like this one because it has a temperature control. I'm going to be setting it on the medium temperature for my hair. I do have a lot of hair, but because I am blonde, it's chemically treated, I'm going to set it on the medium low temperature. So with that being said, let's go ahead and dive into the video, and I'm going to show you how I get these curls. I'm going to section off my hair essentially everything that is below this top section. I'm not really going to worry about it. I mean, I am going to worry about it. I'm going to curl it, I'm going to wave it, but I'm not really going to worry about what that looks like as much as the top section, because this is just going to be like a foundation for the top section, if that made any sense at all. I'm just going to take thicker sections on the bottom, smaller sections up top. You're just going to insert the hair and you're going to clamp down. Then when you move this, you want to re-clamp in your last wave, if that made sense. So every time you move down the hair, make sure you are clamping in that last wave. And I leave my ends out. We're looking like Helen of Troy. Did I get a package? 2? What'd I get?
Do you have an ordering problem?
Yeah. Sorry, my camera died and I didn't have any lipstick on, but now I feel much better. I look complete. I look put together as much as I can. This is a section that is very important. So this top section, I'm going to take smaller sections, not as thick. That way it isn't as kinky looking. I think that's how I want to describe it. It'll come together. Trust the process. Sometimes you look at it and you're like, ooh, I don't know if I can go out in public. Okay, now that the whole head is done, take a texturizing spray. This spray is actually called the Beach Club, so very fitting. Normally I would use my Orbe dry texture spray, but of course I ran out of it. So I'm going to show you really quick how I was wearing my hair in the Insta story the other day whenever I had my hair curled like this. So all you're going to need is just one of these little tiny butterfly clips. Take a little section just like that. take these front pieces out like that. And here is the final look, y'all. It is totally 90s vibes and I am living for it. I'm here for it. I think it's so fun. If you try this hairstyle out, the texture, the waves, they will die down a little bit. I really like this style because it gets better as you wear it. So day 2, day 3, it's gonna look really good. And if you haven't already, please like this video and be sure to subscribe. Bye, y'all.